Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a sales dashboard in Looker Studio, the full step-by-step guide for 2026. If you want to track revenue, orders, and performance in one clear view, a sales dashboard is exactly what you need. So yeah, let's get started. First, open Looker Studio and sign in with your Google account. On the home screen, click Create, then choose Report. This opens a blank canvas where your sales dashboard will live. Next, connect your sales data. Click Add Data and select your data source. For most businesses, Google Sheets works perfectly. Choose the spreadsheet where you track sales, orders, or invoices. Make sure the first row is set as headers, then click Add to Report. Now add your key sales metrics. Click Add a Chart and start with scorecards. These are great for showing total revenue, number of orders, average order value, or monthly sales. On the right panel, select the metric that matches each number you want to track. After that, add trend charts. Use a time series chart to show sales over time, daily, weekly, or monthly. This helps you spot growth, dips, or seasonal patterns. You can also add bar charts to compare sales by product, category, or region. To make the dashboard interactive, add a date range control. This lets you switch between different time periods, like last 7 days or year to date. Filters are also useful if you want to focus on specific products, sales reps, or locations. Now clean up the layout, resize charts, align them neatly, and group related visuals together. Add text boxes for titles like Sales Overview or Top Products so everything is easy to understand at a glance. Before sharing, click View to preview the dashboard and make sure charts update correctly. When everything looks good, click Share and give view access to your team or stakeholders. So yeah, that's the full guide to making a sales dashboard in Looker Studio in 2026. With the right metrics and a clean layout, you can track performance and make better sales decisions faster. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!